Welcome to Tips from Tiff. I'm Tiffany. On our last video, I showed you how to replace an undermount drawer slide. This time, I'll show you how to install a side mount drawer slide. The first thing you'll need to do when choosing a replacement slide is to make sure that the slide you're purchasing is the same size and style as the one you're replacing. If it's not the same size and style, you will need to rebuild your drawer box in order for it to be compatible. The most important measurement is the depth of the cabinet. This is a standard 24-inch depth cabinet, so we'll be using a standard 22-inch size slide. Now, if your cabinet is a different size, please call us at the number in the description for more information. Also, because the drawer box we're using was built for a side mount slide, we'll be using the 39.1145.22 slide from cshardware.com. For a face frame cabinet, we recommend that you use a jig, like this Craig drawer slide jig, to make sure you install the slide level. If you don't have one, however, you can make do with careful measuring and marking. Screw the slide to the face frame first, setting it back 1/8 inch to allow the drawer to close. Next, after verifying that the slide is level with the side of the cabinet, screw the back socket to the back of the cabinet. For a frameless cabinet, simply screw the slide into the side of the cabinet, also setting it back 1/8 inch. Again, using a jig will make it easier to keep the slide level, but measuring and marking will also work. Next, we attach the drawer box to the slide. To do this, reclamp the jig to the inside of the cabinet in order to support the drawer as it extends. A Craig jig like this one includes a built-in spacer that you can position, but you can make your own spacer if you're not using this specific jig. Extend both sides of the slide enough to reveal the first fastening hole. Then slide the drawer box into the cabinet until it is flush with the very ends of the slides. Screw the slide into the drawer box on both sides. Extend the drawer until the second set of fastening holes in the slides are accessible. Screw both sides into place. Extend the drawer out all the way and find the slide releases. Press the button on each slide and remove the drawer box to access the final fastening hole. Then, screw them both into place. Now all we have to do is slide the two parts back together. Make sure the ball-bearing portion of the slide is all the way in the forward position as you reattach it. Then, slide the drawer in until it locks into place. Now you know how to install a replacement side mount drawer slide. And as always, if you have any questions, please call us at the number of the screen. We'd be happy to help you through any step of the process. Thanks for watching. Happy remodeling!